Hey everybody, I've got an unboxing video of a 52-inch Hunter Avia fan. So this looks like a really cool item. There's a link in the description where you can find it. I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Be sure and like and subscribe. Now let's get to the video. Let's check this thing out. So just taking a closer look at the box here, you can see that the LED bulbs are included. We've got the whisper wind motor, so extra quiet, and then wobble free, and we do have the reversible blades. You have the lighter color blades and the darker blades on here. Alright, so taking a quick look at the end of the box here, this Avia 2 52-inch fan is suitable in two different mounting options. You can do a standard ceiling mount or an angled ceiling mount. It's also suitable for large rooms. You can mount it in a master bedroom, regular bedroom, or a kitchen area. You also notice it's got a 3-speed option on the fan here with a little remote that it comes with. And the lighting also is dimmable LED bulbs, which is really kind of cool. The blades are reversible. You've got a grade walnut or you've got like a light gray oak as well on these blades. And like I mentioned, the remote does come inside the box here. Alright, unboxing of the Hunter Avia 2 indoor large room fan. This is the 52-inch fan. Here's some installation instructions right on top for the Avia 2 fan. Here's some installation hardware. It's like your mounting plate. More of your installation hardware right there. Your electrical hardware. Here's your two bulbs as promised. Here's your glass cover. Here's your brushed nickel collar. Here's your motor housing. Fan blades. Here's your remote control unit. Some batteries. Here's your actual remote. Here's your drop down. Here's your actual motor right there. Okay, there's a little bit better look at everything all laid out on the counter. You got your instructions, your motor, all of your housing, your blades, your remote, your controller, all of your parts, your LED bulbs. And that's your entire 52-inch fan kit. The Avia 2 from Hunter. If this video is really helpful for you, be sure and give me a big thumbs up. Also like and subscribe so you don't miss some of the reviews that I'll be doing later on. I'll catch you guys later.